Welcome to the Korean lesson for beginners. In this lesson, we shall primarily deal with vocabulary and sentences required to initiate conversation in a marketplace as well as a restaurant.
어서 오세요.
Which is the standard way to say welcome.
어서 오세요. 어서 오세요.
This expression is used in public spaces to gather attention of the crowd or to cater to a client in person.
사과,
Which means apple.
사과, 사과. 이 사과,
Which means this apple.
이 사과, 이 사과. 얼마예요?
Which means how much in terms of cost.
얼마예요? 얼마예요? 이 사과는 얼마예요?
Which means how much is this apple. Directly asking for its price.
이 사과는 얼마예요? 이 사과는 얼마예요? 원,
Which is the unit of Korean currency.
원, 원.
As of today, both North Korea and South Korea use this as a measure for currency.
2,000원,
Which means 2,000 won.
2,000원, 2,000원. 천,
Refers to 1,000.
2,000원이에요.
Which means it is 2,000 won.
2,000원이에요. 2,000원이에요.
Now, we will get some basic introduction on Korean quantifiers. A quantifier is a word used to refer to a collection of something. In Korean, different quantifiers are used for different nouns. Quantifiers are represented in traditional Korean numerals. The standard structure of expressing quantifiers is as follows. The noun is followed by the quantity, then followed by the quantifier. We shall explore some quantifiers in this lesson.
개,
Is used to refer to apple, orange and milk.
송이,
Is used to refer to grapes, banana and flour.
통,
Is used to refer to watermelon and Chinese cabbage.
주세요.
Which means please.
주세요. 주세요. 사과 5개 주세요.
Which means please give me 5 apples.
사과 5개 주세요. 사과 5개 주세요.
We shall slowly move on to the conversations. This is a conversation between you and a fruit vendor. The fruit vendor initiates the conversation.
어서 오세요.
Welcome. You respond by saying,
안녕하세요. 이 사과는 얼마예요?
Hello. How much is this apple? The fruit vendor replied,
2,000원이에요.
It is 2,000 won. You requested the fruit vendor,
5개 주세요.
Please give me 5 of them. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
어서 오세요. 안녕하세요. 이 사과는 얼마예요? 2,000원이에요. 5개 주세요.
Moving on to more Korean quantifiers.
병,
Is used to refer to water or beverages served in bottles.
잔,
Is used to refer to water or beverages served in glass or tumbler.
그릇,
Is used to refer to rice, soup, and side dishes served in bowls.
주문하시겠어요?
Which means, may I take your order, or I would like to order.
주문하시겠어요? 주문하시겠어요?
The expression can be said in the rising tone, to indicate the meaning as in, asking for the order. While saying the sentence in the normal tone means, you are requesting the waiter to take your order.
밥,
Which means, rice.
밥, 밥. 김치,
Which is a popular Korean side dish, which comprises of salted and fermented vegetables, with Korean cabbage or radish as a primary ingredient.
김치, 김치. 밥 한 그릇,
Which means, a bowl of rice.
밥 한 그릇, 밥 한 그릇. 밥이랑 김치 한 그릇 주세요.
Which means, a bowl of rice, and kimchi please.
밥이랑 김치 한 그릇 주세요. 밥이랑 김치 한 그릇 주세요. 음료,
Which means, beverage.
음료, 음료. 음료 주문하시겠어요?
Which means, would you like to order a beverage?
음료 주문하시겠어요? 음료 주문하시겠어요? 물,
Which means, water.
물, 물. 물 한 잔,
Which means, a glass of water.
물 한 잔, 물 한 잔. 물 한 잔 주세요.
Which means, a glass of water, please.
물 한 잔 주세요. 물 한 잔 주세요.
We shall conclude this lesson with another conversation. This is a conversation between you and the waiter at the restaurant. The waiter approaches to your table and says,
주문하시겠어요?
"May I take your order?" You respond to the waiter,
밥이랑 김치 한 그릇 주세요.
"A bowl of rice and kimchi please." The waiter asked,
음료 주문하시겠어요?
"Would you like to order a beverage?" However, you politely decline the offer and reply,
아니요. 물 한 잔 주세요.
"No. A glass of water, please." We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
주문하시겠어요? 밥이랑 김치 한 그릇 주세요. 음료 주문하시겠어요? 아니요. 물 한 잔 주세요.
Thank you for the patient learning. Stay tuned for more updates. If there are any doubts regarding the Korean lesson, please feel free to ask questions in the comments section.